Guru.
Hi students, welcome to C Guru Civils and grand welcome to UPSC Indian Geography. Today we are going to discuss about India size and location. Our today's subtopic is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. What is Tropic of Cancer? In North Hemisphere. In North Hemisphere, 23 and of north, 23 and of north, latitude called as a Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Actually, in Southern Hemisphere, another line is there. That one, Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Generally, the place in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn called as a torrid zone. Torrid zone or temperate zone or tropical zone. I'm sorry, or tropical zone. And also these two lines called as a tropical lines. What is the reason? It's very hot area. It's very hot area. It's another thing. Actually, I will discuss about solar system, latitudes, longitudes, like that. Coming to this area, our Indian subcontinent having Tropic of Cancer. What is the reason? Because of this value. You know that what? Actually, our India lies in between. India means India mainland lies in between 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude, 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Similarly. Okay, that's why Tropic of Cancer definitely passes through our India. What is the reason? The value 23 and off definitely lies in between 8 to 38 approx values. That's why Tropic of Cancer definitely passes through Indian subcontinent. Our Indian mainland. Okay. Generally, some people says that Tropic of Cancer divides our India into two equal halves. Two equal halves. How do you say that? Take the difference. 8 to 23. Maximum difference 15 lakhs. Similarly, 23 to 37. Nothing but 38. Round figure. If you take round figure 38, again the value, difference value 15. That's why Tropic of Cancer divides our India into two equal halves, half. Okay. But it's only approx values. Okay, remember. Generally, 8 degree 4 approx value, they will take 8 degree. 37 6, they will take approx 38. So, 8 to 23, 15 lakhs, 23 to 38, 15 lakhs. That's why I'm saying Tropic of Cancer divides our India into two equal halves. Okay, leave it. Coming to our Indian subcontinent, our Indian states. There is a question. What is that? How many Indian states having Tropic of Cancer? How many Indian states? How many Indian states having Tropic of Cancer? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. These states having Tropic of Cancer in our India. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8 Indian states. Okay. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and the last one, Mizoram. 8 Indian states. Okay. If you take Tropic of Cancer from west to east, the first Tropic of Cancer line enters into Gujarat area. If you take east to west, the first facing state, Mizoram. But what is the correct answer? There is a question. In 8 Indian states, which state having Tropic of Cancer, which state facing Tropic of Cancer for the first time? Definitely, the right answer is Mizoram. What is the reason? You must know about wall geography. I mean latitude extent. Actually, in globe, latitudes always runs from east to west. You must know this statement. If you know this statement, please implement this one. Actually, latitudes are parallels. They always runs from east to west. So, what is the east first state of India regarding to Tropic of Cancer? Mizoram. That's why I am taking Mizoram is the first state. Okay. But probably just we are writing like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram, like that. But writing is not a correct answer. It's not give correct answer. We want fact. What is the fact? Latitudes always from runs east to west. Runs from east to west. Okay, this is the fact. So, in our Indian subcontinent, to our Indian 8 Tropic of Cancer states, Mizoram facing Tropic of Cancer for the first time. Very, very important. One more question is there. What is that? Actually, in exam paper, they will give 4 states randomly and ask about 4 states. Arrange the following Tropic of Cancer states in order. They don't discuss about sites also, either east or west. But there is a clue. What is the clue? Always Tropic of Cancer runs from east to west. Depend of this statement, you must arrange these 4 states, whatever it may be. For example, Chhattisgarh, Tripura, Gujarat, West Bengal. These 4 states are given. Okay, if you want to arrange the 4, first of all, please write total 8 states. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. After that, please pick Chhattisgarh, Tripura, Gujarat, West Bengal. So, the right answer is Tripura, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and the last one Gujarat. East to west arrangement. Okay, like this. So, is there any question about Tropic of Cancer states? Definitely the question about only arrangement. But you must know about that. What's that? Actually, Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states. You must remember about arrangement also. From west to east, what is the right arrangement? First one, Gujarat. Second one, Rajasthan. Third one, Madhya Pradesh. Fourth one, Chhattisgarh. Fifth one, Jharkhand. Sixth one, West Bengal. Seventh one, Tripura. And the last one, Mizoram. This is the actual arrangement from west to east. Okay, very, very important area. Okay, basic question is, what is the value of Tropic of Cancer? The value is 23.5 north. And the second one is, how many Indian states having Tropic of Cancer? 8. But if you want to know about in-depth, what is the question? Arrange the Tropic of Cancer states from west to east or east to west. Okay, and also you know about that Tropic of Cancer always divides our India into 2 equal halves. North half and southern half. Okay, and also regarding to climatic values, these south area having humid conditions and north area having temperate conditions. I will discuss in climate topic, but just know that only. But regarding to locational status, you must know about what's that? Tropic of Cancer divides our India into 2 equal parts. Okay. Is there any clarity? If you want clarity, first of all, you have to know about India's mainland latitude extent also. Okay. And also Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Equator, what is the torrid zone, what is the tropical zone, what is the heat zone, what is the temperate zone, what is the frigid zone. These are all belongs to this topic randomly. But you must know what is the equator, what is the Tropic of Cancer, what is the Tropic of Capricorn, what is the North Hemisphere, what is the Southern Hemisphere, like this. After that, you must understand these topics. Okay. In future, I will discuss about longitude extent and 82.5 east, like that. In another class, I will discuss about our prime meridian, Greenwich, and our Indian meridian, 82.5 east. What is the difference in between 82.5 east and Greenwich? Is there any time difference? I will discuss. Okay, thank you so much.